May I please, my lord? May I commence the proceedings, my lord? Thank you, my lord. தென்பொதிகை சந்தனமும் மலரும் மேவி தெளிவு கொண்டே ஓடுகின்ற குற்றால அருவி வடக்கே ஒரு காசி தெற்கே ஒரு தென்காசி என்று ஆன்மீகமும் மூவகை நிலமும் அழகும் கொண்ட தகைசால் சான்றோர்கள் வாழும் இந்த புண்ணிய பூமியில் பிறந்த திருகூட ராசப்பன் கவிராயர் குற்றால குறவஞ்சியில் முழங்கு திரை புனலருவி கலங்கென முத்தாடும் முற்றமெங்கும் பறந்து பெண்கள் சிற்றிலை கொண்டோடும் கிழங்கு கிள்ளி தேனெடுத்து வளம்பாடி நடிப்போம் கிம்புரியின் கொம்பொடித்து வேம்புதினை இடிப்போம் என்று இந்த மண்ணின் பெருமையை பாடியுள்ளார். வடகிழக்கு தென்மேற்கு என 2 பருவமழைகளை பெற்று அழகாக ஓங்கி பசுமையாய் உயர்ந்திருக்கும் இத்திரு பூமியில் ஓடக் காண்பது பூம்புணல் வெள்ளம், தேடக் காண்பது நல்லறம் கீர்த்தி என்று வாழும் மக்களை கொண்ட நிலத்தில் மாவட்ட மற்றும் அமர்வு நீதிமன்றம், தலைமை நீதித்துறை நடுவர் நீதிமன்றம் என 2 நீதிமன்றங்கள் தொடக்க விழாவிற்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள அனைவரையும் அகமகிழ்ந்து வரவேற்கிறோம். We extend a warm welcome to one and all for the inauguration of the District and Sessions Court at Tenkasi and the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. Let us collectively pledge to support and uphold the ideals of justice, fairness and equality as we move forward. May the District and Sessions Court stand as a symbol of our unwavering commitment to the rule of law and pursuit of justice for all. This commitment was recently emphasized by our Honorable Chief Justice of India in Rajkot, referring to it as Dwaja of Justice.
This event now commences with an invocation. It's my honor to request the dignitaries and the august gathering to rise for Tamil Thai Varthu. Thank you, my lords. Now, with that auspicious start, the celebration begins with lightning of Kuthuvilakku. Lightning of Kuthuvilakku symbolize not only the brightness, but also the spirit of collaboration, learning and progress. May the glow of this ceremonial lamp be a guiding energy for all of us, illuminating the path of unity, wisdom and justice. Thank you, my lord. Thank you for gracing us with of enlightenment and celebration.
Now we request most respected Tirumadi CPM Sandra Amma, Principal District and Session Judge Tirunelveli, to welcome the August gathering and deliver the welcome address.
Chief Justice, Madras High Court, Honorable Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Judge, Madras High Court, and Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District, Honorable Thiru Justice G. Ilongovan, Judge Madras High Court, and Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District, Thiru S. Raghupati, Honorable Minister for Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, my brother and sister judges, the District Collector, Tenkasi, the Superintendent of Police, Tenkasi, office bearers, and members of various bar associations of Tenkasi District, PWD officials, police officials, and officials of other departments, staff members, the advocate clerks, press, media, and all other party. A very good morning. It is with immense pleasure and a sense of profound privilege that I stand before you on this historic occasion, the inauguration of the District and Sessions Court and Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. Today marks a momentous day in the annals of our judicial system as we witness the establishment of these crucial institutions that will serve as pillars of justice. We are honored to have in our midst the Honorable Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, who has graciously consented to inaugurate this ceremony. Honorable Lordship's dedication in upholding the principles of justice has been a guiding light for our legal system, and we are privileged to have our Honorable Lordship with us today. We are also graced by the presence of two eminent judges from the Madras High Court, Honorable Thiru Justice R. Suresh Kumar and Honorable Thiru Justice G. Ilongovan, both holding as portfolio judges for Tirunelveli District. Their commitment to ensuring a fair and impartial judicial system has been commendable, and we are grateful for the presence of the Lordships in this function. We are happy to have with us Thiru S. Raghupati, the Honorable Minister for Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, representing the Government of Tamil Nadu. I extend a warm welcome to Thiru M. Chelladurai Pandian, President of the Bar Association, and Thiru M.R.K. Pandiyaraj, President of the Advocates Association, Tenkasi. We are also happy to have Thiru M.R. Mariyappan, Secretary of the Bar Association, and Thiru A.V. Pugalindi, Secretary of the Advocates Association, Tenkasi, for their cooperation and dedication. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to one and all, and I thank you for being a part of this historic moment. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor, for warm welcome address. Thank you, Amma.
It's a time to inaugurate the District and Sessions Court at Tenkasi and Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. It's my honor to request the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras, His Lordship, to please to unveil and inaugurate the newly constituted District and Sessions Court at Tenkasi and the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. With your huge round of applause, please. Thank you, my lords. Now it's a time to honor our dignitaries. We now request our most respectable Principal District Judge Tenkasi, Thiruji Karunanidhi, to order on the shawl to Honorable Chief Justice of Madras. We now request our most respectable Principal District Judge Tirunelveli, Tirumadi C.P.M. Chandra, to present a memento to Honorable Chief Justice of Madras.
We now request Thiru V. Padmanabhan, Additional District Judge, Tirunelveli, to adorn shawl, and we request Tirumadi S. Samina, Chairman, Permanent Local Adalat, Tirunelveli, to present a memento to Honorable Justice Thiru R. Suresh Kumar, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District.
We now request through Manoj Kumar, Chief Judicial Magistrate Tenkasi, to adorn the stall to the Honorable Justice through G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District. We now request our respectable Additional District Judge Tenkasi, Tirumadi Anuradha Amma, to present a memento to Honorable Justice through G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District.
We now request Thiru S. Mariappan, Advocate Tirunelveli, to adorn the shawl to Thiru S. Raghupati, Minister for Law, Court, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu. We also request S. Ramachandran, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a memento. We too request through A.V. Pugarendi, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a portrait photo to the Honorable through S. Raghupati, Minister of Law, Government of Tamil Nadu.
We now request Thiru M. Chellathrai Pandian, Advocate, Tenkasi, to adorn the shawl to the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Now we request Thiru N. Kanaga Sabapathy, Advocate Tenkasi, and C. Ayyappa Raja, Advocate, Madras High Court, to present a memento to Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. We now request Thiru A.V. Pugarendi, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a portrait photo to the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court.
We now invite through M.R.K. Pandiraj, Advocate Tenkasi, to adorn the shawl to Honorable Justice through R. Suresh Kumar, the Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District. We also request through M.R. Mariappan, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a memento, and additionally we extend our request through E.S. Kailasam, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a portrait photo to the Honorable Justice through R. Suresh Kumar, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District.
We now request through S. Shivakumar, Advocate Tenkasi, to adorn the shawl to the Honorable Justice through G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District. We also request Tirumadi M. Tahira Begum, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a memento to Honorable Justice through G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District. We too request through P. Chinnadurai Pandian, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a photo to the Honorable Justice through G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge for Tirunelveli District.
We hereby invite Thiru Rengarajan Advocate Tenkasi to adorn the shawl to most respected Tirumadi CPM Chandra Amma, Principal District Judge Tirunelveli. Additionally, we request Thiru A. Venkatesh Advocate Tenkasi to present a memento to the esteemed Principal District Judge Tirunelveli.
We now request Thiru A. Karthik Kumar, Advocate Tenkasi, to adorn the shawl to the most respected Thiru S. Manoj Kumar, Chief Judicial Magistrate Tenkasi. We also request Thiru Vel Pandian, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a memento to the most respected Thiru S. Manoj Kumar, Chief Judicial Magistrate Tenkasi.
We now request Thiru A. Murugan, Advocate Tenkasi, to adorn the shawl to Thiru D. Ravichandran, District Collector Tenkasi. Now we also request Thiru S. Velsami, Advocate Tenkasi, to present a memento to most respected Thiru D. Ravichandran, District Collector Tenkasi.
We now request Thiru A.K. Kaliyappan Advocate Tenkasi to adorn the shawl to Thiru T.P. Suresh Kumar, Superintendent of Police Tenkasi. Also, we request Thiru R. Madakan Advocate Tenkasi to present a memento to the Superintendent of Police Tenkasi. Also, we invite Advocate Clerk Association Mr. Murugan Tenkasi to honor our Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Also, we invite Mr. Ramakrishnan to present a shawl to our Honorable Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Portfolio Judge, Madras High Court. Also, we invite Mr. Sundar to honor Honorable Justice G. Ilangovan, Madras High Court, Portfolio Judge, Tirunelveli. Also, we invite Mr. Madi to adorn shawl to Law Minister, Tamil Nadu.
It is time to offer felicitation. Now I request Thiru N. Kanakasabapati, Advocate Tenkasi, to kindly share his felicitation.
My Lord Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Thiru Sanjay Vijay Kumar Gangapurwala, my Lord Justice Sri Suresh Kumar, my Lord Justice Sri Ilangovan, Honorable Principal District Judge, Honorable Sri Raghupati, Minister of Law, Honorable Incoming District Judge Tenkasi, Honorable Chief Judicial Magistrate incoming to Tenkasi, respected District Collector, respected Superintendent of Police Tenkasi, the Presidents and the Secretaries of Bar and Advocate Associations Tenkasi, members of our fraternity, honorable judges, staff members of judiciary, the students of Law College of Sri Tangappalam Law College, Vasudevanallur, ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam. My Lord Chief Justice, there are many prouds we already possess in this land of Tenkasi. We have 10 Podigai. As like the master of ceremony says, the Tirukkutrala Kuravanji, Kailai Malai enum Vadamalaiki Terku Malai Amme, Kailai Malai enum Vadamalaiki Terku Malai Amme, Tirihuda Malayangal Malai Amme. We have 8 or 9 waterfalls here. We have any number of ancient temples here. We have 9 stories of Cobram in Tenkasi. Pertinently, we have, my lord, Tenkasi Tendral Kutrala Charal, the drizzle and gentle breeze, which no one have in the world. We have all such blessings, my lord. But, my lord, today, your lordship, by your glorious regime, made a new proud by inaugurating this district court to wipe out the sufferings of the litigant public and the advocates of Tenkasi district. My lord, it is not like an ordinary inauguration, but it is a history. My lord, the Purana says, during the Lord Magadeva's celestial wedding in Kailash, all the people from south went on to the Kailash and gathered in Kailash, so that the Bhumi Mata lost her balance. This Dakshina Bhumi went high, my lord. Kailash went lower. This land went up. At once the Lord Magadeva take immediate decision, my lord. Sent one person and only one person, Rishi Agastya, to go to Kutralam to balance the globe. On the command of Magadev, he came here and consecrated many number of temples and balanced the globe, my lord. We have not seen the Rishi Agastya, but we have felt in many forms. Today also, my lord, we felt as like Rishi. Your lordship balanced the Dakshina district of Tamil Nadu by inaugurating a district court and balancing the justice rendering system. That is your honor. Dakshina Bhumi is balanced now, my lord. My lord, today, your lordship has made our long day dreams into real. We approached many lordships. Many times, many years. We have waited before the many chambers before the lordships, but all went in vain, my lord. But, my lord, within 14 days, we have been heard by our lordship Justice Sri Suresh Kumar just in the 3rd week of last December 2023, and immediately brought your lordship's attention and make this long year's dream to be real in only 14 days is a quite worshipful act of judicious, my lord. My lord, your lordship's success is all your devotion and integrity in doing service to this justice rendering system, all we know. The Tirukkural says, my lord, இதனை இவன் முடிப்பான் என்றாய்ந்து அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். As like your lordship endorsed this portfolio with his lordship Justice Sri Suresh Kumar and Justice Sri Elangovan. Sincerely, we express our gratitude to our Honorable Minister for Law, Sri Raghupati also, and the Tamil Nadu government also. No doubt your lordship gives this as a Pongal gift to us. We do not know how to reciprocate our gratitude to you all, my lord, except with your lordship's permission, by giving a standing ovation, by giving big round of applause. அனைவரும் எழுந்து நின்று ஒரு 2 நிமிடங்கள் கரவொலி எழுப்பது மூலம் இந்த 3 நீதியரசர்களுக்கும் நம்முடைய அமைச்சர் பெருமகனாருக்கும் நாம் நன்றி கடனை தெரிவிப்போம். தயவு செய்து எழுந்து நின்று 2 நிமிடங்கள். You give me a big round of applause expressing. Lordship, please sit down. Lordship, please sit down. Lordship, please sit down. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Now I invite the Superintendent of Police, Tenkasi, Thiru T.P. Suresh Kumar, to kindly convey his felicitation.
Honorable Lordship, the Chief Justice, Madras High Court, Honorable Judges of Madras High Court, Honorable Minister of Law, Courts and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, the Principal District and Sessions Judge Tirunelveli, the Principal District and Sessions Judge Tenkasi, the respected District Collector, Tenkasi District, Honorable Chief Judicial Magistrate, Tenkasi District, the Bar Association, Tenkasi District, all the members of bench and bar, and my dear friends from the law fraternity, and ladies and gentlemen, a happy morning to you all. I am extremely happy to be a part of the inauguration of District and Sessions Court, Tenkasi District, and the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court in Tenkasi. As the police is responsible to maintain the law and order, prevent and detect the crimes, regulate the traffic, which are the basic duties of police. Beyond that, being the first respondent to the criminal justice system where the police is in contact with the public. We investigate the cases, investigate the offenses which are being reported, and then the process of trial commences as the justice is delivered. Now, this inauguration of the courts in that newly formed Tenkasi district will definitely aid in speeded delivery of justice. As said, the justice delayed is justice denied. So in Tenkasi district, as the new courts are formed, there will be a speedier delivery of justice. And at this juncture, I express my extreme thankfulness to all the bench and bar of the Tenkasi district for giving us the fullest coordination. Before concluding, I would like to have the Pongal greetings to the Honorable Lordship, the Chief Justice, and the Honorable Judges of Madras High Court, and dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Wish you all a very happy Pongal. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for the insightful felicitation.
Now I request and invite the District Collector Tenkasi, Thiru Durai Ravichandran, to kindly express his felicitation.
Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Portfolio Judges of Tirunelveli District, Honorable Minister of Law, Courts, Prison and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, respected judges, esteemed advocates, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen. It is the distinct honor and immense pleasure for me to stand before you today as we gather to mark the auspicious occasion of opening of our district Sessions Court and Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. As we inaugurate the opening of the court, I extend heartfelt congratulations to the bar. The establishment of these courts is the testament to our collective dedication to ensure a swift, fair, and accessible judicial process. It ensures that the voice of the people is heard and justice is served without fear or favor. To our Honorable Chief Justice and judges, we are grateful for your unwavering commitment and dedication to the legal system. We trust in your wisdom and integrity to guide this court in the pursuit of justice. May this court stand as a symbol of hope, fairness, and redress the all who seeks justice within its hall. In conclusion, let me once again extend my heartfelt congratulations on the opening of this district and Sessions Court and Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the enlightening felicitation.
It's a time for the special address of the dignitaries. Now we extend our respectful invitation to the Senior Minister and Session Legislator, Honorable Thiru S. Raghupati, Minister of Law, Court, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, to kindly deliver the special address.
Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Justice Sanjay Vijay Kumar Kangapurwala avarkale, Honorable Judge of the Madras High Court, Justice R. Suresh Kumar avarkale, Honorable Judge of Madras High Court, Justice G. Ilangovan avarkale, தென்காசி பிரின்சிபல் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஜட்ஜ் திருமதி சிபிஎம் சந்திரா அவர்களே, தென்காசி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கலெக்டர் திரு டி ரவிச்சந்திரன் அவர்களே, தென்காசி சூப்பரண்டன்ட் ஆஃப் போலீஸ் திரு டிபி சுரேஷ்குமார் அவர்களே, திருநெல்வேலி சீஃப் ஜுடிஷியல் மேஜிஸ்ட்ரேட் திரு எஸ் மனோஜ்குமார் அவர்களே, தென்காசி பார் அசோசியேஷன் பிரசிடென்ட் திரு செல்லத்துறை பாண்டியன் அவர்களே, தென்காசி அட்வொகேட் அசோசியேஷன் பிரசிடென்ட் திரு எம்ஆர்கே பாண்டியராஜ் அவர்களே, தென்காசி பார் அசோசியேஷன் செக்ரட்டரி திரு எம்ஆர் மாரியப்பன் அவர்களே, தென்காசி அட்வொகேட்ஸ் அசோசியேஷன் செக்ரட்டரி திரு ஏவி புகழேந்தி அவர்களே, அட்வொகேட் திரு என் கனகசபாபதி அவர்களே, அதர் ஜுடிஷியல் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ், கவர்மெண்ட் அஃபீஷியல்ஸ், அட்வொகேட்ஸ், இன்வைட்டீஸ் அண்ட் ஆகஸ்ட் கேதரிங் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன், உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் முதல் வணக்கம். The Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Justice Thiru Sanjay Vijayakumar Kangapurwala, one of the finest legal professionals who got the rarest opportunity of serving in two chartered high courts of India, that is Bombay and Madras, has proved his merit while studying LLB itself by ranking third in the university. We got a calm and cool Chief Justice having abundant knowledge and rich practice in all areas of law, who will adopt the tradition, convention and culture of Tamil Nadu and keeps his doors always open to anyone with a grievance. We are very happy to have you as our Chief Justice, Your Lordship. Tamil Nadu is the land of social justice, and promoting social justice is the primary concern of our government of Tamil Nadu, headed by our Honorable Chief Minister Thalapathy M.K. Stalin. Social justice, state autonomy, self-respect, economic equality, agricultural development, industrial progress, and religious harmony are the goals towards which this Dravidian model government of Tamil Nadu is progressing in providing social, political, and economic justice to the citizens of this state. The Honorable Chief Justice concerned about the need for the gradual implementation of paperless courts for effective handling and speedy disposal of cases is actively supported by our government. Our government is giving top priority to provide adequate basic and other infrastructure facilities in terms of land and buildings, manpower, e-office, e-courts, etc., to secure speedy justice to all the litigant public of this state. On implementation, this will be a significant milestone in enhancing efficiency and transparency in streamlining judicial processes. I am also glad to enlighten that our government, headed by our dynamic leader Thalapathy, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, always have and show due respect to the honorable courts and honorable judges, and very keen to ensure that the independence of the judiciary is maintained and suitable climate is ensured for that purpose. இந்த நேரத்தில் இன்னொன்றையும் நான் இங்கே குறிப்பிட விரும்புகின்றேன். மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் எந்த நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய நிகழ்ச்சிகளிலே பங்கேற்றாலும் இரண்டு கோரிக்கைகளை எப்பொழுதுமே வலியுறுத்துவார். ஒன்று, உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய கிளை நம்முடைய சென்னை மாநகரத்தில் அமைக்கப்பட வேண்டும், உயர் நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய வழக்காடு மொழியாக தமிழ் மொழி வரப்பட வேண்டும் என்பது அவர் வைக்கின்ற முக்கிய கோரிக்கைகளாகும். உயர் நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய வழக்காடு மொழியாக தமிழை கொண்டு வருவதற்காக இன்றைக்கு தமிழிலே எல்லா சட்ட சொற்களும் தமிழ் மொழி பெயர்க்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்கின்ற உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்துடைய கட்டளையினை ஏற்று இன்றைக்கு சட்டமொழி ஆணையம் பல்வேறு சட்ட சொற்களை எல்லாம் இன்றைக்கு தமிழிலே மொழிபெயர்த்து வெளியிடுகின்ற அந்த பொறுப்பை ஏற்றுக்கொண்டு சிறப்பாக செயல்படுத்தி வருகிறது. மாண்புமிகு முன்னாள் முதலமைச்சர் தலைவர் கலைஞருடைய நூற்றாண்டு விழாவை முன்னிட்டு 100 சட்ட புத்தகங்கள் விரைவிலேயே தமிழ் வடிவிலே இங்கே வெளியிடப்பட இருக்கின்றன மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களால் என்பதையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, மிக விரைவில் மிக குறுகிய காலத்திலேயே அனைத்து சட்ட சொற்களையும் தமிழிலே மொழிபெயர்த்து அதன் மூலமாக உச்சநீதிமன்றத்துடைய அனுமதியோடு மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் சென்னை உயர்நீதிமன்றத்துடைய வழக்காடு மொழியாக தமிழை கொண்டு வருவதற்கு நிச்சயமாக முயற்சி எடுத்து பாடுபட்டு நிறைவேற்றுவார்கள் என சொல்லி வாய்ப்புக்கு நன்றி கூறி இன்றைக்கு உதயமாகி இருக்கின்ற தென்காசி இன்றைக்கு மாவட்ட நீதிமன்றம், தலைமை குற்றவியல் நீதிமன்றம், இந்த நீதிமன்றங்களுடைய பணி என்பது இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய வழக்கறிஞர்கள் சொன்னதைப் போல இன்றைக்கு பொதிகை தென்றலைப் போல இந்த பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களுக்கு, வழக்காடிகளுக்கு உறுதுணையாக நிச்சயமாக அது இருக்கும் என்பதிலே எந்த விதமான சந்தேகமும் அல்ல. மக்களுடைய குறைகளை, கோரிக்கைகளை நிறைவேற்ற வேண்டும். உயர்நீதிமன்றம் சொல்லுகின்ற அந்த கட்டளைகளையும் ஏற்று அதற்கு ஏற்றாற்போல செயல்பட வேண்டும் என்பதுதான் மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சருடைய அரசினுடைய நோக்கம் என்பதையும் எடுத்துச் சொல்லி வாய்ப்புக்கு நன்றி கூறி விடைபெற்றுக் கொள்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir, for your enduring and insightful special address.
Now it is my honor to request the Honorable Justice of Madras High Court, Thru G. Ilangovan, Portfolio Judge of Tirunelveli, to kindly deliver the special address.
My lords, the Honorable. Okay. My lords, the Honorable Justice of Madras High Court and Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Senior Portfolio Judge of Tirunelveli District, Mr. S. Raghupati, Honorable Minister of Law and Courts, Prevention and Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, Mrs. C.P.M. Chandra, Principal District Judge, and Mr. Manoj Kumar, CJM, Tirunelveli, and the team of the judicial officers attached to his office, and Mr. R.D. Ravichandran, District Collector, Tenkasi, and his team of the officials attached to his office in various departments, and Mr. T.P. Suresh Kumar, the Superintendent of Police, Tenkasi, and his team of the police officials, and Mr. Chellatherai Pandian, the President Bar Association, Tenkasi, Mr. M.R.K. Pandeyarajan, President Advocate Association, Tenkasi, Thiru M.R. Mariappan, Secretary Bar Association, Tenkasi, and Thiru A.V. Pukalendi, Secretary Advocates Association, Tenkasi, and members of the Bar Association, various bar associations, and staff members of various courts here, and ladies and gentlemen, and the people of this locality. Good morning to one and all. ஒரு நீண்ட கனவு இன்றைய தினம் நனவாகி இருக்கிறது, as Mr. Kanaga Sabapathy has put it. And on this occasion, I want to express my sincere gratitude to the creators of this occasion. And Honorable Chief Justice of the Madras High Court is a pillar, is a very humble and simple, and we know from his simplicity how we, when we adorn the higher judicial, how to behave with the judicial members of the bar and the advocates and as well as the public, and is the symbol of all those things. And he is created. And he has created this auspicious day for us. And it also falls on auspicious day today for Tamilians also. And this is our Suresh Kumar. And we know that as Kanaga Sabapathy put it, and right from the beginning, it was very particular that the day is fixed at the earlier date. And he's also giving advices and ideas how to make the function as a grand one. And we are actually enjoying the same. And apart from that, I want to express sincere gratitude to the team of the officers. Last week, I visited this place to have a discussion about the arrangements to be made. At the time, the district collector, Mr. Ravichandran, and the SP, Mr. Suresh Kumar, and TPM Chandra, and all other judicial officers from the various courts, and as well as the executive engineer of the department is also present. And I had a very wonderful occasion. They promised to extend the fullest cooperation to me, to see that the celebration is celebrated in a grand manner. And they also extended the fullest cooperation, and my appreciation to the district collector here. And he convened a special meeting to take stock of the situation as to the efforts that will be made by the district administration in seeing the matter that it is go through well. Now we are enjoying that moment here. And my special appreciation to the team of the officers and the PDJ, Mrs. Chandra, and in spite of her physical disability, she was traveling between Tenkasi and Tirunelveli to see that it is made in a grand manner, thanks to her team also. And with regard to the other issue, I want to convey a small thing to you. the purpose of our existence, how to be felt. I've cited an example. Our dissenting judgment of Justice Khanna in ADM Jabalpur case. You know that many of them might have known it. And it was celebrated as a torchlight world over. The reason is that it was rendered with human touch. And that is the existence for us. And when we extend our fullest support to a person who is standing alone in a remote place, then only our existence will come as a reality. And you can use your pen wherever the occasion to your conscience. I want to repeat the word, to your conscience, to lend your supporting hands to them. And with that, before I conclude, I want to also make a remembrance to the advice that was given by our Chief Justice in Mumbai. Justice was inaugurating a similar court in Mumbai. And at that time, he mentioned that a court is open today. The judges and the lawyers must see that the case should not be urgent and it must be worked out. And there was the advice that was given by my Lord the Honorable Chief Justice at that time. The very same advice also going to be given to you also on this occasion. And whether it is right or wrong, it is my view that adjournment is the menace which is now eating the system. We must come out of the system. That's a menace. Unless we come out of the menace, then the poor man who is standing out of the court may not get justice at the earliest opportunity. So both bench and the bar must travel together to see that it is achieved. We are achieving that goal. And on that special occasion, I also request the district judiciary here to have a role model court. And within 2 or 3 years, the old matters are wiped out. And that is my wish and wish of the High Court also. And with this, on this auspicious day, I congratulate you, I appreciate you, I wish you all the best. Thank you, Honorable.
Thank you, Lordship, for your enduring and informative special address.
Now it is my honor to request and invite the Honorable Justice Thiru R. Suresh Kumar, Portfolio Judge of Tirunelveli District of Madras High Court, to kindly deliver the special address.
Respected and my beloved Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Thiru Justice Sanjay Vijay Kumar Gangapurwala, my brother Judge Justice Ilangovan, Honorable Minister of Law, Government of Tamil Nadu through S. Raghupati, the Principal District Judge, Tirunelveli, Tirumati CPM Chandra, the District Collector, Mr. D. Ravichandran, the District Superintendent of Police, Mr. C.P. Suresh Kumar, the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Tirunelveli, Mr. S. Manoj Kumar, the President of the Bar Association of Tenkasi, Mr. Chelladurai Pandian, the President of Advocates Association Tenkasi, Mr. M.R.K. Pandiraj, the Secretary of the Bar Association, Mr. M.R. Mariappan, the Secretary of Advocate Association, Mr. A.V. Pugadendi, the office bearers of both the Advocates and Bar Association, the judicial officers of combined Tirunelveli district, that both Tirunelveli as well as Tenkasi judicial districts, the Registrar General of the Madras High Court, the Private Secretary to the Honorable Chief Justice, senior members of various bar association of the combined district of Tirunelveli and Tenkasi, my dear young members of the bar, dear students of the law college, the guests press, security people, ladies and gentlemen. As the earlier speaker spoke, it is an important day in the district judicial history of Tenkasi. Though 100 years before, a court was inaugurated in Tenkasi, and nearly about 40 years ago, a sub-court was inaugurated. And after some time, recently, additional district court was inaugurated in Tenkasi. After the bifurcation of Tenkasi from Tirunelveli district, for the past 3+ years, the litigant public as well as the lawyers community of Tenkasi district had dream that they have a revenue district and certainly there will be a judicial district, and the Tenkasi judicial district would come quickly, where all the judicial activities of a district in full-fledged would be taken care of. That kind of dream slowly was conceived, moved at various stages, and at the final stage, at the behest of our Honorable Chief Justice, myself and Brother Elangovan were entrusted the administration of this district, both combinedly the Tirunelveli and Tenkasi. Immediately we worked out, and what are all the hurdles, very small things were there to suit out those troubles, that those hurdles were removed. And as Mr. Kanakasabhavati pointed out, within a span of 1 month, this bifurcation and inauguration of new judicial district in the name of Tenkasi now has been materialized today. For such a great event that is going on today, I must congratulate and express my sincere gratitude and thanks to all of you, the district judiciary, the members of the bar, the registry of the Madras High Court, and also the state government. This kind of encouragement to the portfolio judges to come from the Chief Justice. As far as our Chief Justice is concerned, since he had taken office at the end of May, strictly speaking from June onwards of 2023, for the past 6 months, many such developmental activities on the judicial side as well as on the development of infrastructure for judiciary, not only in Tenkasi but throughout the Tamil Nadu, including the Madras High Court, both at principal seat as well as Madurai seat, had taken place. These activities quickly within these 6 months have taken place at various parts of this state in judiciary has become possible only because of the encouragement given by our Honorable Chief Justice to all the portfolio judges as well as the district judiciary. I cannot express in my words what kind of kindness our Chief Justice showed to the colleagues, that is the sister and brother judges of the Madras High Court, the registry people, the district judiciary, and the lawyer community in general. Such a fine personality, our Chief Justice. When I made this proposal to the Chief Justice that everything has been made ready at Tenkasi, Chief, that it has to be inaugurated by the Chief Justice, smilingly he agreed. Smilingly he agreed. Why I am saying this? Last 6 months, our Chief Justice had been tirelessly working from morning 9 till evening 9, night. He will move the chambers from the High Court at about 9 p.m. Morning, the work starts at 9. The 12 hours continuously, almost every day, our Chief Justice is working. Judicial side as well as in the administrative side. Therefore, he could not spend much time in spending these kind of functions far off place from Chennai. For the past 6 months, except Salem, because Chief Justice had been at Salem for laying the foundation of additional court buildings at the Salem district. That was the only outstation visit than Chennai and Madurai our Chief Justice had related to court functions. That is only for laying the foundation of the court building. As far as the inauguration of the court is concerned, I can tell the Tenkasi people can take the privilege. First time during his tenure, our Chief Justice had come all the way from Chennai to inaugurate the Principal District Court as well as the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Tenkasi. For this gesture, I myself, on behalf of my colleague, Justice Ilangovan and the Tirunelveli district as well as the Tenkasi district, I wholeheartedly express my gratitude to our Honorable Chief Justice. Friends, it is the Tenkasi that I am proud to be here as a portfolio judge for Tenkasi also. And we are a holy soil. You all know that there may be believers, there may be non-believers even in this gathering. But most of them may be the believers of God. How this place is a holy place. Most of you may aware, some of them, especially the students who have come, the youngsters have come, they may not aware. The Lord Shiva visited very few places in this holy state, state of Tamil Nadu. You heard about the dance of Lord Shiva, Tandavam. We call it as Tandavam, Shiva Tandavam. In 5 holy places in the state of Tamil Nadu, Lord Shiva had performed the Tandavam. In Tiruvalangadu, we call it as Ratna Sabai, where Lord Shiva performed Kali Tandavam. In Chidambaram, Nadaraja temple we call it. That is called Kanaka Sabai. The Lord Shiva performed the Ananda Tandavam. In Madurai, we call it as Velli Sabai, where Lord Shiva performed the Sandhya Tandavam. Like that, in Tirunelveli, that is Nellai, we call it as Tamara Sabai, Lord Shiva performed the Muni Tandavam. The 5th place where Lord Shiva visited and had a Tandavam is this great Kutralam soil that is called Chitra Sabai, where Lord Shiva performed the Tiripura Tandavam. Lord Shiva, in order to destroy the god of death called Yaman, to save his strong devotee Markandeya, killed that Yama and appeared along with goddess Parvati, and they had given a fantastic performance of Tandavam. That Tandavam called Tiripura Tandavam, which was performed in the temple which is called the Kutraleshwara temple, Kutralanatha temple, that place called Sitra Sabai, where the Lord Brahma, who witnessed the dance movements of Lord Shiva, he himself painted the various dance movement of Lord Shiva in the Chitra Sabai. Even today we can go and see. That kind of holy place, this is Tenkasi. As the earlier speaker spoke about, the Kutrala Kuravanji, it is one of the beautiful penning of songs of this Lord Shiva at Kutralam by the poet Tiriguda Rasappa Kavirayar. It is called as, It is the greatness of his poem. In Tamil, they call it as Kavidai Greedam. How it is called as Kavidai Greedam? திருகூடராசப்ப கவிராயர் இயற்றிய திருக்குற்றால குறவஞ்சி கவிதைகளுக்கெல்லாம் கிரீடம் என்று சொல்லப்படுகிறது. அப்படி என்ன கவிதையை அவர் எழுதிவிட்டார் என்று நீங்கள் நினைக்கலாம். The poetic sense and beauty of திருக்குற்றால குறவஞ்சி you must read and enjoy. One example I can give. அதிலிருந்து ஒரு பாடலை உங்களுக்காக சொல்கிறேன். செங்கையில் வண்டு களின் களின் என்று செயம் செயம் என்றாட, செங்கையில் வண்டு களின் களின் என்று செயம் செயம் என்றாட, இடை சங்கதம் என்று சிலம்பு புலம்பொடு தண்டை கலந்தாட, இடை சங்கதம் என்று சிலம்பு புறம்பொடு தண்டை கலந்தாட, இரு கொங்கை கொடும்பகை வென்றனம் என்று குழைந்து குழைந்தாட, இரு கொங்கை கொடும்பகை வென்றனம் என்று குழைந்து குழைந்தாட, மலர் பைங்கொடி நங்கை வசந்த சவுந்தர் பந்து பயின்றாளே. Such a beautiful poem that Tirigoodarasappa Kavirayar penned in Tirukkutrala Kuravanji. These are all the pride moments, pride history of Kutralam and Tenkasi. The Kasi Vishwanatha temple was built by Adiveera Rama Pandian, who was the king who ruled this place. The Tenkasi means the South Kasi. In north we have Varanasi, in south we have Tenkasi. That morning also I told our Chief Justice, in north we call it as Varanasi, that holy place. All people are going to Varanasi. In south, equally that we have a holy place that is called Tenkasi. This kind of peculiar pride is attached with the soil, Tenkasi and Kutralam. In such a beautiful place, this district court, separate judicial district, now has been inaugurated in by the golden hands of our Honorable Chief Justice. By inaugurating these two courts, as far as Tenkasi Judicial District is concerned, so far we have 15 courts. Now we have one PDJ as well as CJM courts added into that, two more. Therefore, now the Tenkasi will have, Tenkasi Judicial District from today will have 17 courts. The total courts in Tamil Nadu so far till yesterday 1258. By adding these two courts which we have inaugurated today, the tally goes to 1260. So Tamil Nadu we have already 1260 courts, including the two which have been inaugurated today. Still we have to go a long way. Few months back, as per the direction of the Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice had entered the job to prepare the statistics and a report filed before the Supreme Court as to how many more courts are required in the state of Tamil Nadu to cater the needs to dispose the cases. Dispose the cases means the already pending cases as well as the cases which are being filed currently. The maximum time of judiciary that can take to dispose the case in district judiciary is concerned, if it is fixed for 2 years maximum, what shall be the optimum level of courts that are required has to be prepared as a statistics and to be filed before the Supreme Court, as the Supreme Court on the judicial side is monitoring, and also they want to do some improvement in establishing more courts to cater the needs, not only in Tamil Nadu, throughout the country. Therefore, to present the said statistics to the Honorable Supreme Court, we had appointed a team of special subcommittee. That subcommittee had a deliberations and filed a report. Based on the report, our committee had prepared the report, according to which 1,300 more courts are to be established in the state of Tamil Nadu. Because the law minister is here, let him also take note of this position. 1,300 more courts to be established in Tamil Nadu, for which, apart from the land cost, we need 16,000 crores of rupees for the establishment of these courts. That is both current expenditure as well as the permanent expenditure with regard to the infrastructure and appointment of judicial officers and other staff. Therefore, such a need is required in the Tamil Nadu judiciary. In the years to come, we have to, in the phased manner, fulfill. Our Chief Justice has given all such encouragement to all the judges of the Madras High Court in various committees to streamline all these issues and also to steadfast how these goals can be achieved at the earliest. As far as Tenkasi is concerned, this is the good news today that we have inaugurated the district court, principal district court, as well as the chief judicial magistrate court. One more happy news is there that will be announced by our Honorable Chief Justice. Therefore, I once again wish the litigant public, the members of the bar, and all stakeholders of Tenkasi district in respect of the judiciary is concerned, please kindly utilize this opportunity that now you have the district court at your own, and this can be made use of it by you people for dispensation of justice in a speedy manner with the cooperation of the bar as well as the district judiciary. And once again, I extend my warm wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. We are amazed to hear the history of Kutralam from Purana Kala and statistics of the judiciary. It is a most informative special address. We all delighted and inspired your lordship's special address. Once again, we thank you, lordship.
We are truly privileged, honored, and most delighted to have our Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court with us. His leadership and wisdom has undoubtedly contributed to the advancement of our legal system. It's my honor to invite our Honorable Chief Justice of Madras, His Lordship, to please to grace us with his presidential address.
Kalai Vanakam. Brother Justice Suresh Kumar, Brother Justice Elangovan, Shri S. Raghupati, Minister of Law, Courts, Prison and Prevention of Corruption, Ms. Chandra, Principal District Judge, Tirunelveli, Mr. G. Karunanidhi, the person who has the honor to be the first Principal District and Session Judge Tenkasi, the Superintendent of Police, the District Collector, President and Office Bearers of the Bar Association Tenkasi, President and Office Bearers of the Advocates Association Tenkasi, members of my judicial fraternity, advocates at the bar, ladies, gentlemen, and my fellow students who I see are standing at the back. I'm referring to you as fellow students, but because today also I consider myself to be a student of law. I believe that a person is a student from cradle to grave. I wish Pongal Vartukal to all of you. At the outset, I congratulate every litigant, every advocate, and the judges, so also the citizens of Tenkasi district, for Tenkasi being the independent judicial district from today, and for getting an independent principal district judge and CJM. I hope this will add to the expeditious disposal of the cases. I thank all the speakers for their gracious words to me. I sincerely believe that I'm not qualified for those words. I accept the same with all humility at my command. Brother Suresh Kumar talked about The increase of number of judges which we have forwarded to the Honorable Supreme Court, about 1,350 additional judges we require in the state of Tamil Nadu. And it took the opportunity of the presence of the Honorable Law Minister to also spell out the expenses that would be required. The Honorable Law Minister may not be dissuaded by anything. It is not going to come up in a day. It will require its own time. But nonetheless, the fact remains in days to come, there would be additional judges to cope up with the number of matters pending. As a Chief Justice, I'm not worried about the docket explosion. My judges are competent to deal with the number of matters pending before them. What I'm more worried is about the docket exclusion. Because of the large number of matters pending, the litigants may not come to the court for the redressal of their grievances. What about their rights? They are not in a position to come to the court. One, maybe because of the pendency, maybe because of the financial reasons. We have large chunk of persons coming from the oppressed, suppressed, and depressed class of the society. Are we in a position to cater to them? It is, if these number of judges are increased, possibly we would be in a better position to expeditiously dispose of the cases and cater to their needs. I'm proud to say that in the year 2023, there were 91,000 cases instituted in the High Court of Madras at the principal seat, and the principal seat has disposed of 111,000 cases. So is the situation at the Madurai bench. The institution was about 60,000 cases, and the Madurai bench has disposed of 65,000 cases. Probably our is the only state which has disposed of more cases than instituted. I congratulate all my sister and brother judges for these efforts. Now, when we talk about reaching out to the end litigant, only litigation in the court would not be sufficient. We may have to find out the alternate system, alternate dispute resolution systems, such as mediation, arbitration. These are here to stay. All the new laws which are being enacted has a clause of mediation and conciliation in it. And that's why we have trained mediators. We will have to encourage that. Now just imagine the disparity here. We talk about social revolution. Have we achieved it? A mason who constructs best of the palatial buildings does not have a roof for his family. An agriculturist who grows food for the whole world does not have enough to feed his starving family. A weaver who weaves bits of the cloth does not have enough to protect the body of his family members. It is the judiciary which would be in a position to cater to their grievances and cater to their needs. So we have to march ahead. An advocate is a badge of honor and a patent of trustworthiness, not merely as an agent of the client, but also as an officer of the court. So here, that's why I say that the bar and the bench shall have a mutual respect for each other. It is only if they work with mutual trust, mutual respect, then only it will be possible to cater to the grievances of the litigants. The courts are not just the buildings in the brick and mortar. These courts are the last hope of, the last symbol of hope and justice for a litigant. And we as lawyers and judges exist for them. The infrastructure is necessary. At the same time, compassion is also necessary to look to their cases. And when I talk of infrastructure, as my brother said, that for Tenkasi there is some good news. With some tug of war with the bureaucrats, the government has now agreed that they are providing 14 acres of land for the court building at Tenkasi. I would request the senior members of the bar to groom the junior members. The senior members of the bar are rich in experience. The junior member may have a knowledge, but experience is something more than knowledge. And that's why I always say that it is the senior members of the bar who would groom their juniors. And it is for the junior members of the bar to respect the senior members, and by which the bar would progress ahead. The wisdom would be transmitted from one generation to another generation. We were also juniors once. We grew up looking at our seniors. So that's why I say that juniors should always respect the seniors, and the seniors should also take upon themselves to groom the junior members of the bar, to tell them about the professional ethics that is to be followed. Whatever I speak is for the junior members of the bar. They are the future torch bearers of this litigating society. It is they who are going to take forward their dreams. It is always said that young ones survive on dreams, and not so young ones, because I refuse to call myself old, not so young ones survive on past memories. And when I say that young ones survive on dreams, just remember what Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said. Dreams are not those which you see in sleep. Dreams are those which do not allow you to sleep. So you have to, the junior members of the bar should have a good ambition. They have to strive for that. The junior members of the bar should make themselves so competent, so capable, that they will write their own destiny and not believe that the God is going to write their destiny. If you make yourself so competent, if you make yourself so capable, then you will be in a position to write your own destiny ahead. And that should be your ambition, to reach the zenith. And I'm sure you all would achieve that. I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you. Thanking you once again.
Thank you, my lord, for your enlightening and thought-provoking inaugural address. Your words will undoubtedly leaves an indelible mark on our minds. Your lordship insights inspires us, guides us on the new chapter in the legal history of our Tenkasi district. Thank you once again, my lord, for gracing us with your presence and wisdom on this memorable occasion.
Now it is my honor to request the respectable Chief Judicial Magistrate Tenkasi, Thiru Manoj Kumar, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon, one and all. It is actually a great honor and privilege for me to propose this vote of thanks on this special occasion. Leadership is capacity to translate vision into reality. Here, the vision of advocates and litigant public has come to reality by opening of this new district court and CJM court, which is another milestone in district judiciary of Tenkasi. We are very grateful to our Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madras for inaugurating the District Court and CJM Court at Tenkasi and for presiding over this inaugural function, and also for His Lordship's thought-provoking special address. And a special thanks for conveying the most awaited news that the government has agreed to part away nearly 14 acres to judiciary. Thank you, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice. Thank you. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to our portfolio judges, Honorable Thiru Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Judge High Court of Madras, and Honorable Thiru Justice G. Ilangovan, Judge High Court of Madras, for their initiative in holding this function, their constant guidance and immense presence. Thank you, my lords. I render my sincere thanks to Thiru Raghupati, Minister of Law, Court and Prison, for his immense presence and participation. Thank you, sir. I must express my sincere thanks to our respected Principal District Judge, Srimati CPM Chandra, the head of Tirunelveli District Judiciary, for shaping this inaugural function and her tireless efforts to ensure that this function is a very grand success, and also for her welcome address. Thank you, Your Honor. On behalf of the District Judiciary, I also thank our Honorable Registrar General, our Director of Judicial Academy, Private Secretary to the Chief Justice, other registrars, brother and sister judges, and all staff members of our unit for their wholehearted support and making this event a resounding success. Thank you all. I also convey my heartfelt gratitude to Thiru D. Ravichandran, District Collector Tenkasi, and Thiru T.P. Suresh Kumar, Superintendent of Police Tenkasi, and their team for their cooperation and participation. I also thank the President, Secretary, and Office Bearers of Tenkasi Bar and Advocate Associations and learned advocates of Tirunelveli and Tenkasi District for their presence and participation. An event of this dimension can't happen overnight. The wheels start rolling days in advance. We are fortunate to have a team of dedicated and motivated officers and staff who have burnt midnight oil for this excellent function. Though words are not enough to thank them, I sincerely convey my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of the judicial officers of Tirunelveli and Tenkasi district for their commitment. Thank you very much. I also convey my sincere gratitude to the press, print and electronic media, officials of various departments, including PWD and revenue officials, and public at large for their cooperation, and law students for their cooperation and support. Thank you all once again. Thank you all for making this day a very memorable one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the extensive sense of gratitude shown by thanking one and all who made this function a grand success. Now we conclude this wonderful function with the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Janadhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे